Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shughar and this is Shugar's Realm. Today's video is actually a very quick one. I just wanted to give you guys just show you guys the things I've gotten since I got to Canada, like the clothes I've gotten since I got to Canada. I've actually gone shopping twice in the past. I actually made videos, I just was too lazy to upload them, so I have those videos. I'm going to show you those videos. But right now I just got a notification that an order I placed maybe 2 weeks ago just got here from Shein, so I'm just about to go downstairs and get it, and then I'll show you guys what I got. Basically I've gotten stuff from Marshalls and then now Shein, so my shopping from Marshalls was actually really awesome. Both times I've gone, I've got really amazing stuff, and I look forward to going there every month. Like, I feel like I should just put a portion of my salary to getting new clothes every month because there are so many great deals. But for Shein, I've heard so much about it. My friend Niela Obijaku hooked me up. Actually, kind of knew. I knew about them before I left Nigeria, but I just didn't think I was going to be shopping from them here because I'm not really much of an online shopper for clothes because my body, it fluctuates, you know. So I decided to give it a try. Anyway, my colleague at work also she actually has really amazing stuff, and I'm like, oh, where'd you get this from? And she's like, oh, Shein. I'm like, okay, gotta hook myself up with some Shein. And I was told it to get here in about 1 month, but it got here in 2 weeks, so that's really impressive. I'm just gonna go down and get it and show you what I got, and then I'm just gonna merge the other videos of the stuff I got from Marshall. So basically this is a 3-in-1 haul. Yep, that's it. Let me know how you like this video. Let me know if you want me to actually do a try on when I do these hauls. I'll think about it because like I'm very lazy, but let me know. Let me also know if you want me to let you guys know how I save money in Canada getting stuff for a whole lot cheaper, because yeah, we gotta find ways to make the money last longer, right? Okay, now I'm blabbing. Just stick to the end of this video, and then if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Don't forget to click on the bell button so you get notified when I have new posts up. Don't mind me, I'm so excited, so I'm just rambling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so I'm just gonna be here and then just talk about everything. I've already opened it. I'm going to bring them out one by one and show you guys. This 2-piece is actually padded 9, so it's actually from the Intimate Place. That's my brand. So yeah, we have amazing stuff like this. I stand up here, so it has a pocket, and then like I said, it's padded, so you don't have to wear a bra or anything like that. Why is this thing cutting my head off? Anyway, so just hold on and watch me unbox or unbag in this case. So everything I got was $122 thereabouts, Canadian dollars. So I hope it's worth it, and I hope that these things actually size me. So now I'm just gonna stop talking and show you guys what I got. Okay. Okay, this seems like it's big. I wasn't sure of my size, so this was my test run. But yeah, I actually wanted like a big t-shirt so I can just wear over my jeans, because a girl has added some Corona weights as well as Canada weights, so we're not having some bikini stomach. Like, summer this year is cancelled, so I just wanted to get big t-shirt so I can wear over my shorts and still feel sexy, okay? What's this? Okay. Shorts. So this is a dress. It looks good. Oh, this is really big. This is actually supposed to be an oversized t-shirt, but now it's oversized. I'll find a way to rock it though. Yes. Okay, I'm pretty excited about this because I've been looking for shorts for so long, and I hope that this actually size me. It looks like it's going to be big, but oh no, it's my size. Yay. So I need to do a video talking about how I've added so much weight and how I'm dealing with that because it has been a struggle. These shorts look so big, but trust me, they're my size. Like, my own weight is audio. Okay, that's about it. So I got 4 shorts, 4 t-shirts, and 1 gown. So the name of the shop is Marshall's, and I had asked a couple of people to let me know where they shop because I literally came here with just winter clothes. I didn't come with summer clothes or things I could easily wear. So it has been a hassle going to work and just dressing like, I don't know. I was just not comfortable with the clothes that I had, so I had to go shopping. So I'm just going to show you everything and show you how much I saved by shopping from Marshall's. This is the first thing. It's a scarf that looks like it's like a kimono. It's a scarf actually, but it looks like a kimono. And on some days when the weather is just shitty, like you leave your house feeling like, oh, it's all sunny, and then it starts raining and then it becomes very cold. I've experienced that too many times, so I thought to get this and just leave in the car for those days, right? So it says comparable price is $50. They were selling it for $29 or $39, I'm not sure, but I got it for $15, right? So yeah, saved a whole lot of money on that one. Then this one, it's a dress, really nice dress, I must say. So the original price is $118, but I got it for $25. This one is a cow Lagerfeld dress, and it says comparable price $55. Definitely more than this because let's see, will I see the price here, or this doesn't have the price? I'm sure that it was retailing for more than this at the shop, but I got it for $20. Then one of my faves, this jumpsuit. Let's see if it has the original price. No, it doesn't. It just has their own price. So it says comparable at $50. I got it for $15. It's a jumpsuit. It's really nice, like a palazzo jumpsuit. Totally love it. I think this is my best thing I purchased because I've been looking for high-rise jeans for a minute, and I don't even know, with the way my hips to my stomach ratio, I just never find the right one, right? So this was just perfect. Like, it is absolutely perfect. This one, okay, so how the shop works is they have stuff already discounted. So this is like the discounted price. So if it was on clearance, there'll be a red one. So this is what I got it for. So it wasn't on clearance, and it's totally worth it, trust me. Like, I love it. Then these pants, trousers, I got it for $24. And shorts, this was the saddest part, because they don't really have a lot of shorts for some weird reason. I don't know if they were just sold out when I went, but they didn't have shorts, which is one of the things that I really wanted. Ugh. Anyways, I got this for $16, and I totally love it. It's like Shaba. Then this one, another fave, because I can't wear this in Nigeria, you know. But now I can wear this, and I totally love it. Got it for $16. I got a skirt. For people who know me personally, know that this is a big deal, because I usually don't wear skirts. Oh, this is the back. Wow. Oh, well, I usually don't wear skirts, so I just saw this one and liked it, and I thought, oh, why not have one skirt, eh? So I got this one for $16. Then I got this top, which is almost a crop top, for $12. It wasn't on clearance sales either. And then I got this top for $12 also. This was on clearance sales. And I got this amazing crop top too for $7, guys. Oh, you should see me on these things. I look amazing. Then I got this top for $12. Let's see, does it have the original price? Yep. So see, the tag says $58, but I got it for $12. So yeah, this one was $16.99. This one was $12, and then this one was $12. Like, guys, we are seeing $12, $15, and looking like, oh, okay, it's not so much money, eh? This is how much it came up to. Well, apart from 3 things, I got some things for the lover, so I didn't add those, just 3 things anyways, which were actually like let's just say the 60-something bucks on top. So this is what I paid for taxes, 13%. Just look at something that would have bought me another 3 clothes. Oh well, so that's what I got, and I was pretty happy with this haul because I needed these clothes, and my body was pinching me because, see, this I keep calculating everything with Naira, and this is a lot of money in Naira, but oh well, I guess I've moved on from the Naira life, and yeah, that's about it. So if you just moved to Canada, you should totally try shopping from Marshalls. I think their clothing are very affordable and nice, and they have different sizes, so plus sizes, all of that. They have everything in it. They also have shoes and footwear, but my feet are big, so I couldn't get anything I liked. But yeah, you should totally shop at Marshalls. So these are the things I got: 1 shirt, 2 tops, and an amazing jumpsuit. Yay! Finally. So this is shorts. I totally love it. Like, it is khaki and it is amazing. Like, and then see how much I got it for. Yo, see, I love shopping at Marshalls because the things are so cheap and they're so nice. I got this one for this. These are not even on clearance. They're not on clearance, so yeah. It's a top, another top. This one was on clearance, so I got it for $9. And then This was my, I normally have one very expensive thing in my shopping, or at least two, but this one was just one. See, so it's 30 bucks. It's a jumpsuit. It's gorgeous. The lover said I should take this one. I was ready for me. Oh no, it's expensive, because I wanted to spend a maximum of 100 bucks, but I ended up spending, but no, 75.68, at least here. And then I got to Walmart and saw these shorts, and I just had to get them. So I got this one, and it was $16.97, and then I got this one, and it was $25 basically. So yeah, that's all I got from this haul. I totally recommend Marshall, like I said. Actually, Walmart has some nice things, but not really such a fan because China, but these are actually really amazing. That's about it, guys. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, like, share with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.